85s. You can have a bunch of them, just like this. So what you're gonna do, I already told you those hooks. Put those in here. I'm gonna line these screws up. Start threading them in. It can be a little fun. Just like that. Once they get started, they'll go in quick. Just do that with that side, and the same with this side. Good. Right here, make sure you put it on like this, so it screws into the threaded side, otherwise it'll just fall. All you do is throw the two bolts into here. Stop it again. So once this is screwed on, this is on. Do not screw the soundbar in, obviously. Do this after the TV's up if you can. You can, of course, add it afterwards, but check this out. Let's say you accidentally did that. Don't worry, you're not messed up. All you do is you pull down, and it'll go back up to the top. So, you're gonna have two different spacers. Rounded one, and more square one. Square one goes up here. Rounded one goes in here, lined up where these are. So this just goes right here like this. Be wary that some of the higher end Samsungs, the mounts are way up here. These should still work, but it's just a warning from me that it could be a little bit off. So we want to line that up right here. That one is right there. All right, slide the mount over. I've already selected this screw. Make sure you do not put too long the screws in, because you don't want to crack your TV panel, because that would suck. And then you just tighten this one up. Not all the way though, because I still need to align this spacer back in over here, right there. Oh. Make sure I actually put the mount on. So, from this point, there's two ways you can do this. I prefer to hang the TV without the soundbar attached. Why? It's just one less thing to accidentally bonk and keeps the weight down a little. If you want to put it on, you just hold the beam right here, line up the two screw holes, put them through here, and tie it in from the bottom. Show you what I do though afterwards. Give it some internet if you can. Your ARC, make sure it's plugged into the ARC port of the TV. Power. And then pull all your extra through. Now you can always do this afterwards. I like to do it right now just because it's easier. I also put my wires through the handle, so that way it always keeps the handle at a good length. Again, you just rest it right here. And then line up your screws. Mine are right there. And go ahead and put these in. I just going to hand tighten them for right now. It should come pretty close up to the mount there, and then let's see here. Oh, right there. Okay, that's good. I'll check this out.
Now we're talking. There
exactly. See, lines up perfectly, and let's back up and just show you. That's what it looks like on our 85. And if you do the ARC one, looks pretty close to this. It just has a couple more pieces.